Hello there everybody, we are back again with a new video on the occasion of Holi. So today is full on Holi special video. So first of all, happy Holi to everybody out there. And so as we know that Holi is the festival of winning positivity over negativity, when good wins over evil. Today is all about the positive messages, how we make our life positive, think positively and discard all the negativities from our life. So today's video is very special, so I would say watch this video till the end and also share this video with your friends. The first question is, why do we think negative? So the basic answer to this question is, there are various kind of people that we are surrounded with, right? So not everybody's conditions are same. Everybody faces different circumstances in their life. They also have to face different difficulties throughout their life, right? So some people take those difficulties and challenges in a very negative way. It's like also they feel that they are the only one facing it, and they become very negative about their life, right? And on the other hand, there are some sort of people who take challenges, difficulties and hurdles as part of their life, and also they face it's like part and parcel of life, and they take challenges and difficulties as part of life. They take it gracefully and also they try to overcome those challenges. This is how we divide the positive mindset and the negative mindset. So the conditions and the negativities and the challenges are actually same. Everybody has to go through tough times in their life. It's not something that that only you are facing. It's not like that. Everybody faces, but it's your ability to take challenges and difficulties, that's what matters, right? So that is what we call resilience, and a lot of things comes into picture like that. So when we say a negativity, how to overcome negativity from your life, so first thing would be remove jealousy from you. Okay, so whenever we see anybody getting easy success, right? Or maybe when we see some people talk about like because she is a female or he is a male, or maybe he was born in a very well-to-do family, that is why he got success easily or quickly in his life or her life. So we get jealous of the fact, why not we? Okay, so we need to accept it that they may be having some things very easily coming to them, but it doesn't mean that we are not blessed with anything. Everybody is blessed with some or the other thing. So we need to remove and take off that jealousy factor from ourselves, because this is one very negative thing that we are wearing every day, every moment. Whenever we see anybody passing or whenever we see anybody succeeding, we try to compare their lives with ourselves. Maybe you have some qualities that that person might not have. So don't feel jealous about them and just try to accept yourself as gracefully as you can. If you try to find your happiness in others, you will look more graceful and you will feel more positive. And in fact, the main motive behind life is to stay positive and be happy. Okay, next simple thing is help people. Okay, so whoever needs help around you, please make sure that you play a good part, a positive part, maybe a little part in their life, so that they encourage you, they appreciate you for whatever you are. And trust me, that happiness cannot be compared with anything else. And also soon you will take off negativity from your life by helping people around you, because the feeling that you have, the feeling that you get after helping somebody or making a difference in their lives positively, will make you a better person each day. So third thing is very important. I thought it might not relate with the theme, but it's very important to call out that we live in a diverse country with a lot of communities, lot of religions, and lot of faiths. Every person is an individual and we need to respect them for a human and not for the caste or religion they belong to, right? So we need to accept them as they are for whatever faith they have in their life, not digging too much personal into their life. We need to accept them as a person, as a human, and how good they are. Okay, so if we just take off these barriers and biasing from our heart, that because he belongs to this religion or because he belongs to this color, caste, gender, then this may be a good way to take off negativity from their life, because it's a very regular mindset that we are seeing now and then, that he will not be good because he's that, or he will not be there are some personality traits that he will for sure carry because he is from this caste or this community. So we need to take off this mindset, because we are in 21st century, and every person has their different conditions, circumstances, and judging them on the basis of which community, caste, creed they belong, it's pretty unjust with them. Okay, it will overshadow all the qualities that they have inculcated throughout the span of their life. So fourth point is making yourself easy. Okay, why do I think that this point is worth considering is because we like to become difficult. I know it's a very general mindset that because I belong to this faith, or because I follow this diet, because I follow this, or I belong to this technology, we tend to become very difficult day by day, and we we just forget how to adjust or how to live amongst the people. Okay, we just forget how to be gullible amongst other people. Okay, if somebody shares a different mindset than ours, then we tend to oppose anybody. Okay, so this is like some little adjustments that we have to inculcate in ourselves. As we grow, we have to become more gullible rather than becoming more difficult. Okay, you don't have to make yourself so difficult that people will feel hesitant coming over to you and asking for help or anything else. So it's very easy to look common, okay, to look human, and also to look approachable. So fifth point is self-reflection every day. A lot of industries, they have some retrospective meetings, like they like to go back to 2 weeks or a sprint back, and they want to check out what went right and what went wrong. So I believe that self-retrospection every day of yourself gives you a better reflection of how you are as a person, what made you wrong, why did you behave so negatively, why was your reaction so impromptu and like harsh towards that person. So these are some things, some self-reflection that you have to figure out every day, so that you can take off negativity from your life. So guys, this was the message, positive message for Holi. I hope this syncs with you. I hope this makes you a better person, this inspires you a little bit. And also, if you have any feedback, any suggestions, or anything that you want me to create a video on, do not hesitate. I will be more than lucky and happy to help you out in any which way I can. So please do share your feedback in the comments. Also DM me on LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, just anywhere, wherever you find it's feasible. And keep smiling. Happy Holi again, and do not forget to become a better and positive person, because your life makes a difference and your smile makes a difference.